Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install GitHub on your desktop on Windows 11. So let's get straight into it. Now, first thing, what you need to do is basically get to the github.com/apps/desktop, and you would need to see something like that. Alright, now click on download and select here download for Windows 64-bit, and we will need to wait a few moments that this thing is ready to install. Alright, so now we need to find here our GitHub desktop setup. Click on it, and we need to wait that opens up. So now it's running, the installation it's running now, so it will open up when it's installed, just like that. Now what we need to do is basically just sign in to the GitHub. So something like that. You will need to select the correct website, this email, and then you will authorize desktop here on this green button. Open GitHub in the desktop, just like that, and you will click on finish. Now what you can do here, you will basically you can now start with the new repository, or you can basically clone a repository from the internet and so on. But this is now basically installed on your computer, so we have successfully installed. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next